What is good, my YouTubers? It is your girl Tanisha, aka She's a Model, and I am here to do some simple and easy lock styles. Okay, this can be worn for long locks or short locks. I'm going to show you guys a couple styles that are my favorite, no twist needed. Okay, so I'm just going to start with my nice and fresh untwisted locks. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to do is the double space buns. Okay, so what I like to do for the double space buns is actually do a quick little twist on top of my hair. So I just want to show you guys exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to like twist the top of my hair, okay? So I'm going to take a minimal strands out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and twist those strands, okay? This allows it to be more secure. It just allows it to look a lot more neater, especially if you have thicker locks. My advice is to try and see if you can twist it prior to putting it in the bun, okay? All right, so I'm just twisting the lock, making sure it's nice and secure. And like I said, I am leaving the back out as well. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side exactly like that. I'm just gonna pull a little bit out and just twist it up prior to putting it in the bun. I like to call these like two chiny bumps. The Islanders call it chiny bumps. So yeah, that's what I do, and this is the final look. Quick and easy and simple style. If you like to wear space buns, this style is nice and easy, and you do not need to twist your locks, okay? Love it. The next style that I'm going to be doing is another simple and easy style. So what I'm going to be doing with this style is I'm going to be essentially braiding the top part of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna probably do, I would say about maybe 6 or 7, depending on the size of your head and how your locks are formed in the front. But I'm just gonna essentially braid the top a little bit. Like you can see, I'm not really doing it too crazy, but it's just gonna give it a neat and nice look, okay? So I'm just braiding it. I'm sorry, not braiding, you guys, I'm twisting it. You can braid it if you want, but I'm just doing an easier method. I'm just twisting it just so it looks really nice, okay? All right, so now that it's twisted, I'm just gonna put it up into a squinchie. I left a little piece out right there, so I'm just gonna twist that in as well. It was actually my mom's birthday weekend last week, and I was rocking this look. My mom was like, wow, that style is so cute, because my hair was not done. And I was just like, you know what, let me just rock this look. Call it a day. Nice and simple look. All right, and there you have it. Just fix that. Put that in my hair. And there you have it. A nice little braids, I guess you can say. And it looks really good, you guys. It's just a cute, easy, simple style that you can do if you just want to get ready and go, and if your hair is not kept too well. Not saying not kept too well, but if your hair is not twisted, okay? This is a cute little look that will make it look nice and neat, okay? All right, you guys, and you can also wear it down as well. As you can see, prior to me putting it down, I had it in a bun, so you can wear it down or you can wear it in a bun, okay? All right, so the next style that I'm going to do is a nice and cute style. This style is going to be very easy for you guys to do, as is all the other styles. So I'm going to use one squinchie, and we're just going to tie the squinchie onto my hair. This is going to be a fairly easy style. If you like buns And if you like cute little pigtails, this will be the 2 ponytail style, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for the other side. I noticed that one of my locks were longer than the other, like the edges end part. So I'm just gonna put both of them in. But if you have shorter like end locks, you can actually leave that side out so it has a cute little look. But mine are kind of uneven, which is okay. All locks don't have to be the same length. All right, so I'm just gonna put that one back in my hair. Just improvise. So now I'm just neatening it up, making it look nice and cute. Mind you guys, these are fast looks. When I actually do wear them, they're a lot neater, but nonetheless, you see how quick these looks are. They're so easy to do. You know, I've always been afraid to just try new things, and I'm going to start doing these looks, okay? So another thing that I like to do is tie my hair, especially like when I'm in water or when it's a hot day. I just tie that baby right up with those 2 ponytails, and it kind of looks like a cute little bun, but it looks like a big bun, okay? So I tie it up, as you guys can see. I kind of put like a knot, but not too tight, obviously. And then I just roll it up in a cute little bun, okay? I get it all in there, kind of like, what do you call it? Like crochet, like the crochet hair that you could form. Yeah, so I just form my hair just like that, and that is another cute style within itself, just making everything neat so that you guys can see it. And that's another cute style in itself. Like if you want to go out and you just want to throw your hair up, you can do this look with the 2 ponytails and just twist it or tie it per se, and then you have your hair nice and up like this, okay, you guys? All right, so I'm gonna take this look down. Then I'm gonna show you guys another look, okay? So these are my favorite. This is my favorite hairstyle. It's so cute. I really, really love this hairstyle. It's a nice, simple, and easy hairstyle. So I don't know if you guys were able to tell what I actually did right there. You're probably gonna see better on this side because I was able to like show you guys the front instead of the back. All right, so I'm just gonna take the ponytail, the hair clip, not the hair clip, you guys, the rubber band, and I just clip under it. See that? I mean, you could always use another rubber band, but if you don't want to put a lot of tension on your hair, do what I do, you guys. Okay, just do what I do. So I did that, and it came into 2 cute space buns. I love this look. So cute. One thing I love about dreads is the versatility and the easiness of styling. Okay guys, so I have another look coming for you guys. Now this is a nice and chic look. Alright, I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I am doing here. So I'm kind of, in a sense, twisting the top part of the hair. Alright, and then I'm leaving that little end piece out. And then I'm twisting the sides as well. See how cute and easy that was, you guys? Look at that. You know what, my lock girls, we are blessed because to do our hair, it takes minimal effort. We wake up and our hair is already styled. All right, I just want to let you guys know too, if your hair is dry prior to doing these looks, just make sure your hair is moisturized. I moisturized my hair before doing these looks. I did not put it in the video, but I did. Okay. All right, so this is the look. As you guys can see, it was pretty easy to do. If you want to do this look on your hair, you can try this look on your hair. It's really, really cute, nice and simple. Just a cute little braid on the top and on the side. You can put the twisty or braid. I said braid, but you can put twist or braid. It doesn't really matter, but it's just a cute little look. Okay, guys? Love it. All right, so I'm just gonna take that down, and we're gonna go ahead and do another look. So this look is just me essentially putting it into a bun. So if you like that messy look, this is me just putting it into a bun. If you like your hair to be more so in the buns, you can do that as well, you guys. Cute look. I love this. All right, so on to the next hairstyle. Okay, you guys. So this one, you want to make a nice little part on the side of your hair. All right, and then you want to let the front out, okay? So we're just gonna wrap the hair around once I put it in the ponytail. Right here, you just see me putting it in the ponytail. I actually switched the side because I feel like this side looked a lot better. So I just flipped it over and it's on that side now, okay? You can go on whatever side you actually like, but I felt like this side was more flattering, so I did that, okay? You guys can see I have a little piece of my hair left out. So I'm just gonna clip that back into my hair. This right here in itself is a cute look. All right, this is a look that's really, really cute. Then I'm gonna show you guys, if you wanna actually clip it up, you are able to do so as well. So I'm just gonna take another squinchy, and then I'm just gonna squinchy it up into the bun. There you have it, guys. Another cute, easy, simple look. All right, so this is just a simple, quick, and easy look. This is my last and final look. This is just a simple side part. If you like to wear your hair on the side, you can do so. And this is a nice, simple, and easy go-to look. Okay, you guys? Thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. One love, you guys. Peace.